is candidate number 7. Lee Salamatsu. And the last but not the least, our magic 4. Candidate number 11. Mary Jane Yamada. Congratulations, Magic 4 winners. Congratulations to our Magic 4. And so from here, we're going to announce who the winners will be for our Ginang Kalayaan Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao in our Ginang Kalayaan 2014. But I think I don't have the winners in my hand yet. So, punchline tayo ulit. And for the other candidates, let's all give them a big warm of applause. For patiently attending all the rehearsals, you are already winners. But please stay on stage, stay on stage. Oh, the exit. Thank you, ladies, and see you on the next Ginang Kalayaan. Thank you very much. We're now going to announce our Ginang Kalayaan Mindanao for 2014. Our Ginang Kalayaan Mindanao for 2014 is candidate number 11, Mary Jane Yamada. To be given by Mr. Erwin Senior, to be assisted by Ms. Joyce Garcia, Ginang Luzon. By Mr. Akira Kikuchi.
Nasisilip ko na.
Ginang Kalayaan Mindanao is candidate number 11, Mary Jane Yamada. Flowers to be given by Mimosako. Mimosako. Flowers. Flowers by Mimosako. For Ginang Kalayaan Mindanao. Ginang Kalayaan Mindanao, kindly move forward for your flowers. Mindanao. There you go, flowers. Given by Ms. Nemo Sato. We're ready now to announce the Ginang Kalayaan Visayas 2014. Ginang Kalayaan Visayas is number 7, Lee Sadamatsu. Ginang Kalayaan Visayas, sash and crown by Jenny's son to be assisted by Miss Lourdes Berlan. Ginang Kalayaan Visayas 2000. The flowers, Sako once again, broken casket by Mr. Yuji Ogawa. Okay, we are running out of time, so we're now going to announce Ginang Kalayaan Luzon. Ginang Kalayaan Luzon is number 10.
Ano ginagawa natin dito?
Once again, on behalf of the officers and advisors of the PCCC or the Philippine Governmental Council, this is Lorna Sifra, your master of ceremony for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much and see you on the next week. 2015! God bless you all! Congratulations, winners!
Maraming po salamat sa lahat. Nakikiusap kami, tulungan niyo po kami. Na-identity dapat nasa labas na tayo. Yung mga upuan, nakikiusap po kami. Babae na natin, tulungan niyo po kami. Lalo na yung mga kalat ko. Maraming salamat.
Ay, di na dami. Alam mo, yung bag kanina mo, niligpit na ko. Sige na ka na! Ang galing! Galing! Yan daw, tama yan daw. Ano ba yun? Ilasing akong bibig. Picture, camera, lahat ang pagkakita. Uy, lahat tayo, picture, mamaya. Ay, di naman mga fans ko.
Tiga. Mahirap to eh. Nag-ano na lang ha.
Hanggang 9:30 lang po tayo dito.
Cut natin yan. Hindi, kakaputo. Kakaputo iba.
Wala ka. Wala ka nang